Drivin Ivan here at the Birmingham, Alabama Cars and Coffee at the Hoover Tactical Gun Store, and checking out a beautiful Porsche 911 RS America. This appears to be a 964 variant, and RS America means basically like a club sport racing version meant for sale here in America. And looks like you might have some seat issues, but you can check out my review of the 964. I had one, or my other 911s, my 996 or my 82 911 Targa 911 SC. But this one's a special car, faster. Wow, a lot of crazy horsepower here. There's a cop in the lot too, so I don't think you want to be messing around too much. There's even an Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio over there, which is pretty cool. A lot of interesting cars here. Very cool Scion FRS. You can check out my review of that one on the track. And elsewhere, the brand new 86, which they just released in America. They got rid of the FRS name and Scion altogether. But anyway, back to this Porsche 911 RS America. What a beauty. Big whale tail in the back, and looks like he definitely tracks it, which is good. He's got the numbers ready to go, and it's a rear-wheel drive, and airbag. Pretty much the top of the line for back then. Sunroof coupe, and there you have it. These things are going up in value because they're air-cooled and because it's a very special limited edition, the RS America. And there you have it. Rally Sport, Racing, RS. Very, very cool. Looks good in white too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all my other car videos, Porsche videos, from the 928 to the 924 to lots of cool Porsches that I've reviewed, definitely. And this is no exception. There you have it. Check out my music videos as well. Literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game, documentaries. I'm Drivin Ivan.